guys. So there's an accident here. We got this guy. Officer, they said it was an accident, officer involved. The deputy's not transported. 541 on scene. We got this dude over here. I don't know if he's a witness. They do have a car up here that's all jacked. So it looks like the airbag went off here, but it went out as an officer-involved accident. The deputy's over here talking to this guy. They said AMR was canceled, nobody transported. I don't know if it was a pursuit yet or not. Probably. Got 4 deputies out here, so it's more than likely a pursuit that ended in a crash. The airbag going off. You saw the front of that car. Why was he taking pictures of the back here? So this car was involved, so would he ram him or something? Baseline in church. No, just one. So it's a woman. There's your driver. I believe. I could be wrong. I will correct that right now and say I don't know if that's unconfirmed. That's the driver, but they do have somebody in the back of the police car. So somebody's in the back there, a woman. Oh, I gotta change batteries. I gotta change batteries. He's talking to her. Great time for my battery to die. I have an extra one in my pocket though. Let me go ahead and do that now before I miss something. He's going through it right now. Oh, now my hard drive's full. Hold on. I think I got 4 minutes, yeah. It shouldn't take him that long to go through it. That's what I'm saying, this hard drive fills up in like 10 minutes or whatever. I gotta format it again, I guess. But I've been using this camera a lot, so you format it, it clears it, but then I don't know, it's just an old camera. Maybe I need a newer one, right? I don't know if my SD card is in here or not. Maybe that's why I don't have my SD card in here. You're supposed to get a lot of time out of this.
Hey, Duran, is there else says
Alright, I gotta put these clips on my phone real quick so I have free space. So he's taking her to jail. She's in the back of the car. She is the driver. And she's gonna be going to jail tonight, it looks like. The car is pretty much jammed. They were trying to do something here. But the tire won't, yeah, it's all jammed up. So he's going probably to CDC unless he's going somewhere else right now, but with her. But if not, yeah, CDC. Alright guys, so the suspect, the driver's gone. And it looks like all the, that's the Sarge there, or Corporal. I didn't catch the stripes. I think it's a Sergeant. He's taken off. Explorer. So they're all going to take off and leave the car. One of them's got to stay for the 1185 though, right?